Welcome back. First of all, ignore this. We will cover it in the next video. It's just a modular button I made. But first, I decided that we don't have our character yet. Even though it still shows this mesh for some reason, we don't have anything here. So let's create our tile character since we're building a tile world. We need something to run around with. And right now, there's nothing. Let's make a character. This will be really simple. Let's start by adding a cube and name it head. The scale will be 0.25. And location on z-axis -10. Here I'm trying to figure out why it's not in the same position as the capsule component. I will realize my mistake at the end when we resize the capsule component. Now set the material to the solid blue that came with the third-person map. Next, add another cube to head. This will be our eye. The scale will be 0.8, 0.2, and 0.2. With the location set to -25, 25, and 30. Now we have one eye. Let's add another cube for the iris. Location will be 50 for x-axis and 0 for y and z. The scale will be 0.25 for all. We need iris to be black, so set the blue material, click icon to go to material and duplicate it. Remove blue name and name it black. Open it and set color to black. Now set iris to our new black material. Now it looks like an eye. Duplicate our eye. And for this one, let's adjust its position. We can just drag it by y-axis. Seems good. Now we need copy-paste iris to our second eye. Well, that did not work, so just drag it to eye 2. Zero out the y and z, and for y it will be -50. Scaling broke, so fix it to 0.25 for all. Our character taking shape. Lastly, we need a mouth. Add a cube to head and name it mouth. The scale will be 0.8, 0.45, and 0.05. Location set to 50 for x and -25 for z-axis. Now let's duplicate our material once more to make red variant. Now we have our character, a silly style character. As we can see, we're not utilizing a character mesh, but maybe one day we will convert static meshes to skeletal meshes. For now, it's good enough. Let's see if everything looks good. So not everything is good. Okay, let's try adjusting the camera. Set the camera's position to 300. Ignore my adjustment of the z-axis. Keep it at -10. We will soon adjust the capsule radius. I didn't notice the capsule sticking out over the head. Now we can talk about the capsule component. This is what you can call a hitbox. It prevents us from falling through the ground and walking through walls. As you can see, the basic capsule component is suitable for humanoid characters, but not for our tile character. There are paid plugins available for other size components, but we don't need precision, so we'll keep it simple. Just set capsule half height to 60 and capsule radius to 20. Compile and save, and we're done with our basic tile shape character. As you can see, because capsule doesn't cover our entire character, we can clip through walls. But as I mentioned, we don't need precision. We're just making a prototype, so it's fine for now. Lastly, go to the blueprint folder and then to our core folder and rename our character to BP_player tile character. Make it a habit to always fix up redirectors, even when it's not always necessary, like in this case. It will save you a headache if you accidentally break references later. This is it for now. We have our character. See you in the next one, and don't forget to subscribe. And if able, support me on Ko-Fi.